How to change color in Photoshop. Now first of all what I'll do is I will select my subject here and I'll drag down and basically select the subject. So as you can see that my subject has been selected. Since I want to change the color of my background, I'll basically select right click and select this select inverse option. Now what I'll do is I'll go to this option selective color and here we will select this greens. As you can see that the color has been changed a lot. This you can play around with this until you get the perfect option here. And I'll go to this neutrals option and again you can do a lot of other things. Yeah, this was before and this is after. So this is how you can change color in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.